up sticks. That way you don't puncture a hole in the tent, and that way you know it's also comfortable and you don't want to ruin the tent. So let's do that. I'm really bad at explaining things. So
Yes, you are.
But
You guys just can't aim. Or hit a ball, or kick a ball, or anything to do with a ball except basketball.
Oh, we're just kicking out of it. My tent's not that big.
Okay. You like my dog?
Good enough, because we're not laying in it, so I can actually do it.
Okay. Go.
Go. Okay, next. Got my lovely tent. You gotta lay it out and figure out
Where the front is.
yeah, which side's the door. I think it's this side. Nope, it's that side. Okay. Oh, I'm waiting for something. And then next thing we're gonna assemble the poles. I almost forgot what they were called because I'm oh no, this is graceful like that. Yeah, that one's a little rain cover. That has been slightly ducted.
Karate over here.
Stay. You got it. I'll continue then. Then you will be careful not to step on the outside of your tent. Do it again, you don't want to ruin it. And push them through the openings, which are not more difficult because you gotta make it X. And watch out. Okay, don't. I'm trying not to. I'm keeping a distance. And be careful not to get any dirt lodged in the end of these because they are open.
Oh, here comes B.
They're struggling a lot. Yeah. I feel so ridiculous.
I think that's halfway.
Okay, well, then go through and put these in the, can't think of what these are called. There you go. And it will start to lift up the tent. Don't kind of dust
unhook it from right there here.
Yeah.
Being lodged up. And I don't want to break the plate.
Once you get one side done, when you get that one side done, it's going to usually fall over. Sometimes it won't. It's okay. And then you do the next. Oh, I love belt. And then there's that, and then we will go through. Get out of my tent. Yeah. What? Now we will do our rain cover. Actually, I missed a step. Now we do. Now we hook this. The pole. And then we will. Yeah, mine needs to get tied up top. Not all of them do, but mine does. Now we're going to go through and do the rain cover. You gotta just, it's hooked. The front is here. It's a lot easier. Okay.
Oh, get him.
You bought big puppy with him.
And then mine has this little thingy. Another tiny pole to go on the inside of this. And it hooks these little rings. That way it keeps out, that way it's not, rainwater's not dripping down the door. We got a balcony still. And then we gotta go through and shut this, that way it doesn't get bugs in it.
Now, why do you have your door open when you put your tent up?
honestly do not remember. I just know that's what you're supposed to do.
Is it so you don't stand on the sides of your tent?
Oh yeah. So or you can stand on the floor in your tent.
And you don't wreck the tent, right?
Yeah.
So when you roll your tent up, you always roll it up with the door open.
And I keep my rain cover in the inside, that way you don't need to worry about like struggling to fit it in the bag. And then you go through and put the stakes in.
Why do you put the stakes in after?
Because then you know like how big. That way it's easier to like put it up and you don't need to worry about struggling with it being stuck in one spot. And when you put it on, you put stakes in, that way you don't need to worry about your tent blowing away in windstorms, which is also not very fun. Mine's nice, it has a little mat thingy on the front, but oh, I thought fell.
That's Matt. Okay.
And that's how you do the tent. And then usually you have Velcro these, you know. No, you didn't.
I did. I did it over there.
I think
Hank finally learned that he's not the big dog anymore. He looked at Mac and went,
so. For our winter camp out, me and my troop, which are here -1, made this shelter for our winter camp out. So we have from stocks and insulation. But we need to go through, we have a base, we have the sticks here. We need to go through and find more sticks and covering for the top of this. That way we have an actual shelter. So yeah, let's go do that.
Alright.
Okay, so now that we have like just about the entire top cover, we gotta find a couple more. We're gonna go through and use a insulator for the top half to help keep the water off if you have water or snow or anything, or rain, not water, still same thing. And we're using some leftover corn stalks we had laying around. You could use like leaves or grass or different plants and stuff like that in general to do it. Even dirt, that works too. We are also going through, you can also use dead, very rotten logs and stuff to help compact holes and keep that insulated or cover the top. We're using that to fill in holes right now. And
Because?
to keep the cool out.
Why are you filling in holes though? Why wasn't there holes this winter?
Oh, so this winter when we did this, we used snow. Because snow is a really good insulator. Just make sure you do not have snow underneath you when you do it, because that'll keep you cold. So you clear the stuff underneath you, but use it around you because it's a really good insulator. And since we used snow this summer, or this winter, it has obviously melted since then, and we're using the rotten wood to fill in holes that were there originally. So now we're going through and filling in the holes on the top so we can lay insulation down there, and we're also filling in the holes on the side of the walls and stuff. So yeah. Okay, so this is my troop, except for one girl who was not able to be here. This is our troop 1076 of Green, Iowa. We are, we just finished our shelter, our alternate shelter, and we used sticks to get the main base, or old fallen over trees and stuff. And then we put like 3 longer logs across the top, and then we laid sticks between it to help break up like the holes. And then we found an insulator, which we used leftover corn stalks when we used it in the winter as a shelter, and we used that as the insulator on top to help keep different rain or snow or stuff off of you. And we also filled in the holes in the sides because during winter we use snow to fill in the holes, and that all melted obviously because now it's warm out. And snow is a really good insulator, by the way, in case you need it. Just do not lay on it because that'll make you cold. That is no bueno. You need to just make sure you have a good shelter because you'll survive with a shelter and food, but mainly shelter.